Hey everyone, thank you so much for being here today. My name is Denise. I'm also known as Hey Wig Sister on Instagram and Facebook. Today I'm here to bring you a color spotlight. This is the color Chocolate Cherry by Envy on the Isabella wig. I just recently reviewed Isabella and I promised a color spotlight because I had Isabella in two colors and so I didn't focus on the color in that video. If you want to know more about this wig, I will link that review in the description. Otherwise, stick around and learn more about this color. So Chocolate Cherry is a gorgeous, deep, reddish burgundy with brunette tones. It is so rich and stunning and very, very warm. Let's take a look at this color up close. Now this whole video is going to be in direct sunlight. If you want to see this wig in indoor lighting, you can go check that out in my review of this style because I did that one all indoors. Even though I don't talk about the color, you'll be able to see that color there. It is just a beautiful, deep burgundy. So what you have here is you've got a almost looks like a rooted color because you've got some dark brown up at the rooting, but that sort of melts into like a reddish highlighted brunette. You've got lots of really beautiful copper tones in here, very coppery. And then you've got all that beautiful brunette on the top. Very highlighted. I would call this, I think Chocolate Cherry is a great description of this color. It is very much a reddish copper. Cherries are a little bit redder, but I would say if you get some of those kind of plummy looking cherries, it's just got beautiful. This wig is a tough one to just put on. In my review, I said it is not a throw and go. It definitely takes some manipulation, but you can see if you're looking for, you want a bright kind of auburn, reddish auburn brunette. You like dynamic colors, you like highlighted colors, but you like those deep reds and chocolatey browns. That's what this one is. Sometimes Chocolate Cherry can look a little violet in some applications, in some brands. That's not the case here. I don't see any real violet in this at all. It's gorgeous. All right, everybody, just a short and sweet color spotlight for you. Let me know if you have any questions.